Hi everyone, I'm Abigail Loya, and today talking about 5S. Well, uh, 5S is a methodology system developed in Japan to organize, clean, and maintain the workplace efficiently. It is widely used in manufacturing, office, healthcare, education, and many other industries to improve productivity, quality, and safety. HS stands for a Japanese word that reflects a case stop. Well, the first S is sort, L is eliminate all unnecessary tools, parts, and instruction. Keep only what is essential for the current task. How to apply it? In a factory, audit workstation to identify tools, equipment, or raw materials that are not regularly used, move outdated tools to storage or dispose of them if obsolete. This process opens up space and prevents confusion. And other is in office, conduct file revise to archive or delete digital files and dispose of unnecessary documents, remove unused office supplies and equipment. And the last in our hospital, store medical instruments, remove expired medication, and separate reusable equipment from single-use material to avoid confusion and improve patient safety. The purpose of this is to avoid clutter, reduce confusion, and make the space more functional. And the second one is Satan, set in order, arrange items in a way that promotes a smooth workflow. Everything should have a designated place, and that place should be clearly labeled, labeled and organized. How to apply it? In logistic, arrange items by categories and usage frequency. Place them in clearly labeled bins or shelves, and create a map of the warehouse to help workers find items quickly. And other is in a restaurant kitchen, organize kitchen tools, utensils, and ingredients based on the cooking process flow. Use racks, hooks, and transparent storage boxes to keep tools visible and accessible. And other is in schools, create organized cabinets and drawers for class materials, label shelves with both text and images so that students and teachers can quickly return items to their correct place. And the purpose of this is minimize search time, reduce error, and create flow in tasks. The third one is Seiso, shine. Um, the meaning is clean the workspace regularly. Cleaning is not only about appearance, it's also a form of inspection that helps identify issues early, like old leaks, wear and tear, or dust built up. To apply it? Well, in production area, it developed a cleaning schedule where machinery, floors, and equipment are cleaned at the end of every shift, assign cleaning responsibilities, and track them with checklists. Other is in each department, establish regular maintenance for computers and network devices, clean keyboard, screens, and organize cables to avoid damage or accidents. Another is in retail. Set up early floor checks to ensure cleanliness, sanitize high-touch areas, and clean display shelves to maintain product appeal and hygiene. The purpose of this is promote safety, extend equipment life, and boost morale. The fourth one is Seiketsu, standardized, and This is great standards practice for maintaining the first three A's. These include checklists, visual control, color coding, and task assignments. How to apply it in hospital: establish a strict routine for room cleaning, medication storage, and patient care equipment use. Use standard form, color labels, and flowchart to guide staff. In administration, create template for emails, report, and internal communication. Design a folder structure and file naming system for digital documents shared among teams. Another is in warehouse, implement visual signs, standard operating procedure (COPS), and barcode system to guide restocking and inventory rotation. The purpose of this is ensure consistency, prevent backsliding, and simplify training for new employees. And well, the last is Shitsuke Sustain. The meaning is develop habits and discipline to maintain improvement. This step ensures that 5S become part of the organization culture. How to apply it? Well, in a company-wide, uh, will a 5S committed responsible for monthly audits and progress tracking, develop a recognition program for teams that maintain high standard consistently. Other is team level, set weekly teams meeting to review 5S performance, allow teams to get new ideas to improve their workspace. And the other is training, include 5S education in onboarding and provide refreshers, course, encourage leadership to model 5S behavior to reinforce culture. The purpose of this is build accountability, encourage pride in the workplace, and maintain long-term results. And now talk about three practical examples of 5S in real workplace. The first is an automotive assembly plant, Seiton and Seiso, in a car manufacturing facility. Tools were often misplaced, causing delays in assembly lines. By using shadow burns for tool placement and implementing a daily cleaning checklist, work- workers reduced tool time by 60%, production speed increases by 15%, and worker safety improved significantly as clutter and spills were eliminated. The second is in a pharmacy, Seiri and Shiketsu. A busy community pharmacy faced issues with misplaced medication and delays in fulfilling prescription. After removing outdated stock and applying color code labeling system, the team saw a 40% reduction in dispensing errors. Workflows become more consistent and customer satisfaction rose. The third one, a university science lab, Chituke, in a chemistry lab, poor storage and inconsistent cleaning led to broken glassware and experiment delays. With clear visual instruction, labeled shelves, and student cleaning rotation, the lab maintained order throughout the semester, lab safety improved, and students completed more experiments without material issues. And now the importance of the 5S methodology. Well, both the first is both efficiency. Time is spent looking for tools, documents, or material is significantly reduced. This speed up workflows and allows employees to focus on high value tasks. Well, the second one, improves workplace safety and cleanliness by keeping the environment clean and organized. Accidents are minimized, equipment lasts longer, and working conditions improve for everyone. And the third one, encourage a culture of discipline and continuous improvement. 5S involves everyone in maintaining standard, which foster teamwork, responsibility, and a mindset of always, always improving. And in conclusion, the implementation of the 5S methodology offers organization a structured and highly effective approach to improve their workplace. Each of the five steps, sort, setting order, shine, standardize, and sustain, serves a building block for creating a safer, cleaner, and more efficient environment. When applied properly, 5S helps reduce waste, prevent errors, shorten process time, and increase overall productivity. Beyond physical order, 5S also fosters a deeper cultural change. In it empowers workers by involving them in decision making and continuous improvement, promoting a sense of ownership and responsibility. This translates into higher morale, better communication among teams, and fewer workplace accidents. In environments such as manufacturing, healthcare, education, and every office, 5S has shown measurable benefits such as reduced costs, faster workflow, and improved quality of service or product. Another key benefit of 5S is that it creates a visual and disciplined workplace where standards are clear and easy to follow. Over time, it leads to a cultural excellence and consistency that can be sustained through regular audit, training, and employee engagement. In conclusion, 5S is not just a set of clean rules, it is a comprehensive, low-cost methodology that supports long-term operational success. Its simplicity, adaptability, and its strong focus on people making one of the most valuable tools for any organization that seeks to build a high-performance, organized, and efficient work environment. Uh, well, and that's it. And thank you for this presentation. And bye bye.